Today I'm going to be putting on a replacement hood onto my Leica Q3. I took off the original hood to put on a filter and I lost the hood, the square hood. So I have a square hood and a replacement lens cap that I'm going to be putting on. Now, what a lot of people have been saying on the forums is that when they get their new Leica Q3, 2, or 1, is that they get replacement hoods and actually put them on and put away the original hood that came with it, just so they can keep it nice looking and fresh. And so this right here is the replacement lens cap that goes over the rectangular hood. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. This is should go ahead and clean the lens, but for video purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and put the replacement hood on. So ideally, you want to lay it down flat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on gently. Now, one thing with the rectangular hood that you put on is that when you're putting it on, you don't have to worry about over tightening the hood and stripping the thread, because it comes with a lock. You'll see it locks into place once it gets to its appropriate place like that. You see that? The hood is locked into place, and then now I can put the lens cap on right here, and voila, replacement lens cap. Now, these are the Haoge focus on photography replacement hood and replacement lens cap that I used, and it works out really well. Now I have not the original, but replacement on. So I lost the hood, original hood, and the lens cap. I will purchase another hood and lens cap, the Leica brand, just so I have it. But for the meantime, I'll just use this right here. It works well. It's a little bit different, but works well for its purpose, blocking out stray light, giving me the optimum quality picture that I'm seeking, and the lens cap goes into place. Fits perfectly. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.